Hello and welcome to EveryDad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this fella. So if I turn it on, you can see down the bottom corner here it's got a little picture of a battery. It's been on it for a couple of months now and it keeps cutting out now, so it's time to change the battery. So I said I'd make a video and show you how it is. It's a very easy process, so just follow along and you'll have no bothers. Going to take it out of all this stuff, and on the back we've got 3 screws just here. So they're 3 Phillips screws rather. Let's start the first one out. Second and third. So we're just going to lift the back off then, like that. You can see down the very bottom here we have the battery. So I've actually never changed the battery in this one before, so that's the original one that came with it. You can see it has a little connector and all on it, so you just pop that off, put in your new battery. Like so. Pop it back on, put it back in. Just do the reverse then. We're going to put the back on. Do it the right way around. That's that way. Just clip it in all the way around. Like that. Going to tighten back up these screws then. Now so that's all tightened back up, then we can put it back into its case. And the black goes back into the COM and the red goes into the V for volts. So it's set up ready for use. So we just turn it on then. You can see that the battery's disappeared. So that's all sorted. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.